What is going on, you guys? Today I'm trying 5 new shoots at home. Let's check it out. Okay, so this first shot is actually inspired by Geordie Colac. I think that's how you say his name. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some few pics. I got my wide angle here as well, so I'll give that a try as well. But what I'm basically going to do is take one image of the lemon and I'm going to merge it in Photoshop afterwards, just because I'm just shooting by myself. So yeah, let's give it a shot. So I've just switched over lenses to the 1635, the wider angle. Hopefully I should get better results, because I think the 2470 was a bit too tight. So let's try that one. Okay, so for this next shot, I have the camera set up outside. I'm going to pour some water on the window and get some rainy portraits. So let's give it a shot. Okay, so I just had a look at some of those images. The water didn't really do much, but I'm still pretty happy with the result. It ended up like a double exposure. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. So this next one involves getting some tape, a picture of a playing card on your phone, or anything really, and also a bit of apparatus you can use, either the little tape hole. I found this in the kitchen. And then what we're going to do, we're basically going to put the tape over here, put some water on it, get some water droplets, and hopefully get some really cool refraction in the water droplets. So let's give it a shot. Okay, so those ones didn't really turn out the way I thought they would, but I still got some pretty decent shots of like water droplets, which I'm pretty happy with. I also ended up using one of my own photos as a background. Just tried some different sort of effects, I guess. But let's move on to the next one. Okay, so for this next set involves being in the shower and fogging up the glass and shooting through that. Or you can shoot it in the mirror as well, get the mirror nice and fogged up, and then shoot some reflection shots. But for me, I'm just going to shoot through the glass. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, I got some alright ones. Here are the results anyway. Alright, let's move on to the last one. So I saw this picture the other day that basically was of a sneaker, and it had a whole bunch of dust and light going on, and I thought, wow, that's such a cool picture. And so I was thinking, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give that a shot. So that's basically what this next shoot is, basically me trying to take a shot of sneakers and have that nice kind of dust cloud around. I'm going to use a bit of talcum powder. I'm going to use a pillow to get a bit of dust cloud coming up. But yeah, hopefully should get some good results. Okay, so what I've done, I have this talcum powder, I have a pillow down here, I put the talcum powder on the pillow, so hopefully when I step on it, it'll make a bit of a dust cloud, a bit of a sort of cloudy look. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, I just finished up here and I think I got some really great images. But otherwise, I'm gonna wrap the video up here. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.